When this lady was playing with her dogs in the backyard, something totally unexpected happened. She was outside with her 4 dogs and had to bring them all inside after a while. 2 of the dogs came in immediately, but the other 2 didn't listen to her at all. They were busy having fun on their own. But then the cat made a dramatic entrance. First, the cat did a nice stretch. Then she looked at the owner and immediately sprang into action. She ran straight toward the dog on the left and chased him toward the house. Then she went to the second dog and sent him back inside too. As soon as all the dogs were inside the house, the cat sat down like a guard, almost as if she were saying, "Let's see anyone try to go out now." If you think this cat is adorable, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.